An overview of Work from Home, IBPS PO 2020.
Work from home is a pattern of working remotely. This pattern has been started during the pandemic. During the lockdown period in 2020, in that time everyone was restricted from working in the office. Every business person continued their business through online sessions. There are many pros and cons to working from home. The emergence of new technologies has revolutionized working patterns, enabling work from home. There are many benefits of working from home, such as office workers spending more time with their loved ones and sitting together with their families. They have time to spend with their parents and children. Due to working from home, they have time to take breaks at any time and rest for some time. They are able to save some time traveling to the office and waiting for the bus. In working from home, there are no office distractions and distractions of the workplace. It saves money and time which are spent on traveling to the office. There is no stuffing yourself into a rickety transportation tube. However, where things have benefits, there will be some disadvantages to the same. Of the biggest challenges is to work from home, and it is hard to arrange a separate place at home for office work. It has been accepted that everything has its own advantages and disadvantages, and in a similar way, there are benefits as well as challenges to working from home. There are many challenges to organizing an environment for business meetings at home because of distractions from children, noise from the kitchen, the washing machine, and it is hard to arrange a separate place at home for office work. In conclusion, it has been accepted that everything has its own advantages and disadvantages. And, in a similar way, there are benefits as well as challenges to working from home. This is a big challenge, to work from home in most productive way. Thank you.